Most people don't talk about what it takes to keep a healthcare facility running day after day. The details, the decisions made, the lives quietly supported by your work. They may not know, but we do. And care like yours deserves to be met with care like ours. For more than 100 years, Hoffman Painting and Finishing has restored every space that brings recovery, healing, and care, from drywall and painting to wall coverings and finishing. We work quietly, cleanly, and on your schedule. Days, nights, and weekends. No disruption, no surprises. Only care and excellence like yours. Because your work, our work, is about more than maintenance. It's stewardship. It's creating environments where people can heal, rest, and be restored. We're family-owned and family-led, guided by the same values that shape so many of the healthcare teams we serve. When we finish a job, it's more than a project. It's a partnership. I'm Christine Marie, fourth generation of Hoffman Painting and Finishing. For a century, our legacy has existed to protect yours. Call us today to learn how we're serving healthcare facilities across the greater DC and Maryland area.